Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, as you know, we are doing chapter 1 of science, and in the previous video, we have discussed about a few features of plant, a few features of leaves also. We have seen that leaves have different shapes and sizes, and we can identify plants with the help of leaves. Mostly plants are green in color, and leaves are known as food factory of plant as they prepare food for the plant. So in this video we are going to watch and we are going to learn about the process by which food is prepared by the leaves in the plants, how leaves act as food factory for the plants. So are you ready to learn the process of making food in the plants? Yes, I know you are very excited. So let's start this video. First of all, we will do an activity. You have to think that for making a dish of boiled rice, what we need? We need raw rice, we need water, and of course, heat. We switch on the gas, we keep all these things, all these materials on the gas, and then provide heat to these, and with the help of that heat only the rice is boiled. So of course, for preparing any dish we need heat and some raw materials, some materials we need. So in the same way, do plants in the plants leaves also need energy to prepare the food? Do leaves also need some raw materials to prepare the food? Yes, my dear students, leaves also need some raw materials. Leaves also need energy. Leaves also need some kind of energy. And how and where do the leaves get these things from? So let's watch this video again. Move on further. So here we can see a diagram in which some things are blank and we have to label these things. So let's see. So this is a plant, and this plant need energy from sun. Okay, so sun is the energy provider to the leaves. Sun provides energy to the leaves, and in form of raw materials plants need carbon dioxide gas, water, and they provide. And there is one more thing, chlorophyll. We have discussed in previous video that leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll, and this green pigment make the leaves green. And this is the process. These are the raw materials: carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. These are the raw materials that are required by leaves, and then the energy which is provided by the sun. And these all things help leaves to prepare the food by the process of photosynthesis. So what is the process, my dear students? Photosynthesis. Here the word photo means light, which is provided by sun, and synthesis means to put together. Synthesis means to put together. So here, with the help of light, leaves put rest of the things together. They combine rest of the things. What are the rest of the things? They are water, carbon dioxide, and of course chlorophyll, the green pigment. The main function of this chlorophyll is to help leaves to absorb light. The main function of chlorophyll is to help leaves to absorb sunlight from the nature. So I hope, my dear students, photosynthesis is clear to you. Again, let's revise. Photo means light and synthesis means to put together. So this is the process in which, with the help of light, leaves put rest of the things like water, like carbon dioxide, and like chlorophyll together. And chlorophyll is the green pigment which is present in the leaves of the plant, and it makes the leaves green. And the most important of function of chlorophyll is to absorb sunlight. What is the main function? To absorb light of sun. This is the main function. So I hope, my dear students, these things are clear to you. So this diagram is clear, and this arrow shows that by the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is given out by the leaves. Now let's have a look at one more diagram. In this diagram you can see the process of photosynthesis, in which light energy is provided by the sun. Carbon dioxide leaves get from air, and water is absorbed by the roots, and along with water, minerals are also absorbed by the roots, and then these things are provided transported to the leaves with the help of stem helps to transport all this water and minerals to the leaves, where food is prepared. In the leaves there is one green pigment, that is chlorophyll. And after the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is the gas which is given out by the plants, and sugar is the food which is formed by the plants and stored in different parts of the plant. Yes, extra food is stored by the plants in different parts of the plant. Some plants store their extra food in their leaves, some store it in their stem, some store it in their flowers, fruits, and some store it in their roots also. And that extra food which is stored by the plants is utilized by other animals or human beings as their food, and this we will discuss in next video. So my dear students, let's move on further. So necessary conditions, or we can say raw materials for photosynthesis, are chlorophyll, sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. So these things are very necessary for the plants to prepare their own food. Next is products formed as a result of photosynthesis. So what are the products that are formed as a result of photosynthesis? And they are oxygen, which help us to breathe, which help other animals in breathing, so that this is the gas. Okay. And glucose or sugar, which is formed by the plants as their food and stored in different parts of the plant. So my dear students, I hope these things are clear to you. So again I am telling you some of the functions. See, my dear students, chlorophyll help to make the leaves green and help to absorb light also. Okay. And sunlight provide energy for the formation of food. Water help minerals to reach to the leaves. It help in transportation of minerals through stem. And carbon dioxide, that plays major role. It is absorbed by leaves through the small pores in their leaves. They are known as stomata. Stomata are the small pores that are present in the leaves of the plants and which help to exchange these gases. See, we have discussed in previous video also, in the leaves of the plant there are small pores on the back side of the leaves, which we cannot see with naked eyes. They can be seen with the help of microscope. There are very small and so many pores present in the leaves, and these pores help to exchange gases. Carbon dioxide moves into the plants and oxygen is given out by the plants through these leaves. So these small pores are known as stomata. stomata, stomata. So these stomata help leaves to exchange gases, to absorb carbon dioxide and to give out oxygen. So these things are clear to you. Now let's move to the homework portion. So in the homework, what you have to do, you have to draw a diagram as shown in the picture and label it. Label the different parts of the diagram and describe the process of photosynthesis in your own words, and then share a picture with me. My dear students, keep this thing in mind that you have to describe the process of photosynthesis in your own words. And then it is compulsory for all of you to share your pictures with me. That's all for now. We will meet in the next video with the next topic, or we can say the concept of chapter 1. Take care. Watch the video again and again. Till then, we will meet in the next video.